Make your life simple. This will help you and the society in multiple ways. Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. Book title Veshbhusha Shaleen Hi Rakhiye. Keep your dressing simple. Book introduction. Our food intake impacts our health, thought process, emotions, and psychology. Similarly, our clothes also affect our health. However, over the years, we have forgotten the real essence of why we need to wear clothes from a health standpoint. Our clothes should align with our current location, our social framework, and most importantly, our weather conditions. Talking of Indian ethos, our clothes should be light and breathable so that there is enough passage of air and release of toxins through the skin can happen quickly. However, now the real purpose of wearing light and plain clothes in the Indian scenario has unfortunately been long forgotten. People tend to mindlessly ape the Western culture where the weather conditions and social frameworks are diagonally opposite. People who use clothes as an instrument to show off wealth, status, and their position in society by wearing heavy, fashionable, and tight clothes cause more harm than good to their health as they come in between nature and their own corporeal body, thereby causing less blood supply in organs, hampering toxin release, and therefore causing diseases and various physical ailments. Few excerpts from the book. First, people often invest so much time and money in selecting and buying clothes that it seems they have completely forgotten the fact that we are not born with them. Neither we are going to die with them. Man was initially found without clothes as per history and for an extended period of time was enjoying in Mother Nature's lap without clothes. Second, even today, we have people in the world who consider any type of clothing as entirely unnecessary and harmful. In fact, they prefer the best way to live the way we were born. Hence, the concept of nudism community in Europe. Third, it's a myth that people wearing light clothes are weak and vice versa. As a matter of fact, in the literature on naturopathy, there are pieces of evidence that highlight the simplicity of clothes. This is because the skin, which also breathes with us, absorbs the vital energy that is pran and exhales the toxins through the pores. Fourth, usage of synthetic fibers can cause many ailments including skin and circulation. Important topics covered in the book. First, aligning naturopathy with the type of clothes we wear. Second, disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Third, making life simpler through. Fourth, importance of Indian clothing. Fifth, minimalistic approach towards clothes. Sixth, internal and external cleansing is important. Seventh, importance of Indian clothing and relevance of wearing clothes in alignment with geography. Eighth, the right type of footwears and its impact on health. Ninth, clothing of small children.